Good afternoon to all of you. My name is Oshi Jain. Today's my Viva topic is climate change. Climate change refers to long-term shifts in temperature, prescriptions, wind patterns, and other aspects of Earth's climates. It is a preliminary driven by human activities such as burning fossil fuels, deforestation, and industrial process. Um, release greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. This gas trap heat, leading up to global warming and various environmental impacts, including risking sea levels, extreme weather event, descriptions and ecosystems. Addressing climate change require global corporations and efforts to reduce emissions, transactions to renewable energy source and adapt to the change already underway. Extreme weather event, climate change, intense humidity, heat waves, droughts and heavy rainfall events leading to increased damage to infrastructure, agriculture and human settlement, risking sea level melting polar ice caps and glaciers contribute to rising sea level, grading coastal communities and ecosystems. Impact on ecosystems, climate change disrupt ecosystems by altering habits, affecting species distributions, and causing extinction risks for someone, plants, and animals. Then healthy risks, heat-related illness, respiratory problems from air pollution, and the spread of disease carried by insects like mosquito. All are all of the exacerbated by climate change. Food security, changes in temperature and prescription patterns affect crop yield, leading to food storage and price volatility, particularly in unavailable region. Water resource, climate change affects the availability and quality of fresh water resource, leading to water security and confidence over access to waters. Then economic impact, climate related disasters and disruptions can result in significant economic losses, particularly in industries like agriculture, tourism and insurance. Addressing climate change requires a combinations of mitigation effect, greenhouse and adaptation measures, responding to the impact. This involve policies at both national and international level, technological innovations, change in consumer behavior and community engagements, ocean acidifications, increase carbon dioxide levels in the atmosphere also lead to higher levels of absorptions by the ocean causing by ocean acidifications. This affect marine life, particularly organisms with calcium carbonate shells such as coral reefs and shellfish. uh, Loss of biodiversity, climate change contribute to the loss of biodiversity as habits shifts and ecosystems become disrupted. This loss of biodiversity has for reaching consciousness of ecosystems, including reduce resilience to environmental stressors and decrease ecosystem service. Social justice and equity, climate change disproportionately affects vulnerable communities including low income population, indigenous people and marginalized groups. Addressing climate change requires a focus on social justice and equity to ensure that the burdens and benefits of climate actions are distributed fairly. International corporation, climate change is global issue that's required the international corporations and collaborations agreements like the Paris agreements aims to unity countries in their efforts to combat climate change through emission reductions, adaptations measures and financial support for developing countries. um, then technological solution advancement in renewable energy efficiency, carbon capture, storage. Other technological plays a curricular role in mitigating climate change by reducing greenhouse gas emission, transcriptions to the low carbon economy, public awareness and education. Rising awareness about the causes and consciousness of climate change is essential for fostering public support for climate actions. Education and outreach efforts helps empower individuals and communities to take meaningful steps to reduce their carbon footprint and advocate for the policy changes. Overall, addressing climate change requires a comprehensively and multifaceted approach that involves collaborations across sectors and disciplines, from governments and industries to academic and civil society. Then greenhouse gas emissions, the primary derives of modern climate change is the release of greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. Human activities such as burning fossil fuels of energy, deforestation, agriculture, and industrial process contribute to the increased concentrations of GHGs like carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide. Deforestations and land use changes contribute to climate change by reducing the earth's capacity to absorb CO2 from the atmosphere. Trees and plants act as a carbon sinks, absorbing CO2 during photosynthesis. So deforestations lead to increased CO2 levels in the atmosphere. Then industrializations, the industrial revolutions and subsequent industrial activities had lead to have led to significant increase in GCG emissions, particularly CO2 forms. Burning fossil fuels for energy, transportations, and manufacturing process. Land use changes in land use such as urbanizations, agriculture, and forest cleaning can alter local climate patterns and contribute to global climate change by affecting surface eco transcriptions rates and carbon storage. Then natural factors such as volcanic eruptions, solar radiations, variability and variations in earth orbit and lit can influence climate variability over long time scales. While these factors contribute to natural climate variability, this impact on reactant and future climate change is relatively small compared to human activities. Then feedback mechanisms. Climate change can trigger feedback that either amplify or damage its effects. Example: temperature rise, melting ice, and snow reduce surface albedo, leading to increased absorption to solar radiations and further warming. Conversely, increased evaporations due to warming temperature can lead to more cloudy formation, which have many cooling effects. Then ocean circulation patterns, oceans currents and circulation patterns such as the Gulf Stream EF play a curricular role in redistributing heats around the globe. Changes in this circulation pattern can influence regional climate patterns and weather phenomena. Atmospheric aerosols such as sulfate particles from volcanic eruptions and human activities can both cooling and warming effect on the climates depending on their compositions, distributions, and interactions with clouds. Understanding these factors and their interactions is essential for developing effective strategies to mitigate and adapt to climate change. Thank you.